The aim with the Thule Test Center is to be in close collaboration with the product development process and make sure that we deliver reliable and safe products to the market. The aim with this particular test is to make sure that we can deliver a safe product, a dog crate, not only within normal use but also if the worst is happening. The result is brought from the test results, and the data that is collected is used within the product development. They are refining it, and it is used to also develop the product and refine it once again based on the results that we have in the test department.